Welcome to today's video. It's going to be the drift day, and yeah, we're all packed up at the servo. I'm going to head there now. So we've made it out here. It's on to unload the chaser and try and find a bloody parking spot. So I'm going to try out the R33s with the 245s, see how that goes. Still not allowed to run stretch like that, which is silly, but got to go through scrutineering now, then can try out. They got a new layout. I'll see how that goes. So done scrutineering and driver's briefing, so we're going to line up, and I'm probably going to do like a little sight lap because this layout's a bit how you going and weird, and I've never done it before, so we'll do that and try and send it. So just I've done the first couple laps, as you saw. It's actually going really well. I'm just resting in it. I'm just stopped at the moment because still didn't get that oil cooler done, so I'm just not letting it get too hot because I know I'm being a little bit too cautious about it, but I don't want to take any chances. So I'll do like 3 or 4 laps and I'll come in, turn it off, let it sit, then go back out again. So once it cools down a little bit, then I'll go back out. Gonna go out and do the second session, see how it goes. Hopefully get that layout dialed. So it's been a little bit since I picked up the camera. Just actually been enjoying the car because for once it's actually just worked and not have an issue. I still have been just constantly doing like cool down laps and spraying the radiator with oil, not oil, water. So it just cools it down a bit. Like I'm being a bit over, what's the word? Over cautious about the temperature of it because I didn't put the oil cooler on. But other than that, the car went well. I'm probably going to go out for one more session, then load up the car and go home. So yeah, I'll do one more. But it didn't even go through much tyres. Like I went through one set this whole time and like half a tank of fuel, and I packed 6 sets of tyres. This layout, you don't really use too much tyres, which is good. So I still have like more tyres for when I go drifting next, which is good. But I still got them I slightly used. But yeah, I'll do one more lap, then I'll pack up. Righto, last run. I don't know why I didn't put this on my head before. This is not bad, eh? Well, I hope you can see. Let's see how it goes. I should have done this earlier. Oh well, next time. Yep, so last lap. Alright, it's been a few days after the event. I did forget to do an outro, so this is the outro. Overall, the car did very well, and I spent the past 2 days pretty much daily driving it straight after the drift event, so everything's still working perfectly for it, and yeah, couldn't be happier with the day, and hope you enjoyed the content, and stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one, which will be will be the start of the exterior transformation, the new body kit and everything, so stay tuned for that. So cheers for watching, bye.